Wait till you see this. A teeny bird with nothing but grass is about to build something that will blow your mind. This is the Baya, nature's little engineer. Look at that. Strand by strand, he pulls, twists, and ties. Doesn't look like much now, right? But keep watching. This is just the beginning. Here is the twist. It is not just a home. This is a test. The male birds bulls to impress. If the nest looks good, a female might choose him. If not, all this effort gone. He have to start again. Notice how smart this design is. Hanging high, away from snakes and predators. Strong enough to survive storms, yet light enough to sway away with the wind. Nature's own engineering class right here. Every detail matters. He doesn't stop, doesn't rest. Hours of work just for a chance at survival. And you thought only humans work overtime. Here it is. The moment we have been waiting for. The bar steps inside and the masterpiece is complete. From nothing but grass, he's built a fortress in the air. Proof that even the smallest creatures can create wonders. Amazing, isn't it?